Are you a slow writer? Does your handwriting look like an undiscovered language? These two simple problems can be fixed with a typewriter. The typewriter is an invention that dates back to 1867, as New York Christopher Scholes, who lived from 1819 to 1890. It vaguely acts like keyboard, butterprint words paper. A typewriter can print readable text and can save time with how quick it is to print a letter or push of a button. James Desmond was lucky enough to be the first person the typewriter was sold to, purchasing a $25 stake for $600 a year as patented. The typewriter has better handwriting. No, seriously, it does.